Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about coal. What is coal? You know, coal is one important fossil fuel. I think you know what is fossil fuel. What? The fuels which are obtained from the dead remains of living things. Like what? Uh, Coal, coke, natural gas. So many things. These are what? Fossil fuels. So coal is one of the important fossil fuel. Okay. What is the color? Mainly it is black. Sometimes brown is black also. Okay. Very hard substance and obtained from mines. Now question is that how from mines? How coal will form from plants? Coal is formed by carbonization process. What is this? You know, before 300 million years, some forest has gone under soil. Then what? These trees, these plants gradually at high pressure and high temperature converts into coal. At high temperature, volatile substance will be separated from the coal. Coal will be concentrated, and another part volatile substance will go away, like hydrogen. So they will coals actually some components sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen. So they will be separated. Coal means carbon will be concentrated. That is carbonization. Carbon will be concentrated at high temperature and pressure underground, and very slow process. Okay. Now coal will convert into coke, coal tar. How? By destructive distillation process, coal will convert into coke and coal tar. Okay. And coke is the purest form of coal. Now, if we think about the classifications of coal are how many types? Mainly three types. Anthracite, write down. Anthracite. Number 2, bituminous. Number 3, lignite. Mainly three types. Here carbon, how much percent? 96% carbon. Here carbon how much percent? 64%. And here carbon how much percent? 38%. Besides these three types, another type of coal is there. That is very rare, not too much important also. And it contains 20% only carbon. Very soft this one. This is peat. 4. Peat. How much percent carbon? Carbon here it get 20%. Okay. So this is the classifications of coal. Coal. You can say 4 types. If you think peat, layer, this one I told, this is very soft. Okay, and carbon how much? 20%. Now, what is the role of coal? Coal, maximum electricity in thermal power, coal is used. Okay, coal is used to get what? Vapor. That is, coal will convert water to vapor. That water vapor will turn turbine to produce electricity, you know. And coal is used in cooking purpose, you know it. And also coal is used in laboratory, that is coal to coke. Coke is used in laboratory, you know it. Now main component of coke is what? Sorry, coal is what? Carbon. So carbon on burning. One thing I want to say you, carbonization process is to be done in the absence of oxygen. That carbonization, okay. But when coal will burn, oxygen must be there, and what will form? Carbon dioxide, and sometimes you will get carbon monoxide also in complete combustion. Okay, so burning of coal you will get carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Now, which one is best, coke and coal? If you compare between coal and coke, which one is best? Coke, because pollution in coke, pollution is very less, because coke produce very less amount of smoke. Okay, coke. What is the color of coke? I told you, grayish black and porous. Porous means small pores are there. Upper surface is very soft, just like ash, and it is used in laboratory for the test of inorganic salt. You will do in class 11. Okay, so whatever. So you got one idea about coal. Okay, so coal is one type of fossil fuel. Coal is mainly three types mainly, and another one peat. So 4 types we can say. And coal is produced by which process? Carbonization process. On destructive distillation, coal will convert into coke and coal tar. Okay, and after that coal tar will form so many more than 1,000 compounds will form from coal by fractional distillation. Okay, that is petroleum. Okay, here coal, petroleum, all are fossil fuels. But what is the difference? Petroleum mainly obtained from living dead remains, mainly animals, and under where? In the seabed. Okay, so under sea, you know, rock bed is there, tiny rock bed. Under the rock bed you will get the dead remains of the organisms. Okay, and after long time period, some microorganisms convert these dead remains of animals, organisms, into petroleum. Petroleum means what? Petroleum means crude oil. Okay, crude oil. So from crude oil, after fractional distillation, we will get so many products: naphtha, diesel, petrol, kerosene, so many. Okay, so we got one idea about coal and petroleum. But both of them are fossil fuels. Okay, so today this much. Next day again we will discuss about another topic. Okay, thank you.